as a video editor who edits daily in a daily life, I want to share with you my story as a video editor. I edit so much, and I actually have an associate's degree in digital media, and I edit so much in a daily life series. From editing to testimonials, to news broadcasting, to sports, to many and many videos out there that is on the internet right now. I've edited on so many platforms that I have edited on. From my beginning start of as an editor, I started using Avid to now with Premiere Pro. But this software is so powerful, and it's so powerful and lightning fast. It is called Blackboard. Blackboard video editing. I witnessed this and I said, I gotta get this. So I got this and I tested it out, and I actually fell in love with it. As a video editor, I've never fell in love with a software in my life. It's a cloud video editing platform, from editing with whether you're doing live streaming work or just doing regular editorial stuff like filming films, daily vlog series, or testimonials, or news broadcasting. This software is one that I have been impressed. So you guys definitely check this out. It is called Blackboard.